So these are purely for lifting the turret out?
Yeah, there's supposed to be 4 of them, but obviously they'll be painted and everything because they're actually a permanent fixture.
Will they have permanent fixture? Oh, it is part of the turret?
Yeah, I didn't realise, yeah.
So they lost the ones on this one sometime during its life?
Yeah, probably coming from Scampton, something like that.
Yeah.
But once they're just fitting the 2 we've got, then we're going to lift that out, and then the whole of the bottom part of the fuselage just here is coming out.
From the skull and crossbones?
Yeah, all the way down. This is coming off, the streamliner fairing.
What is that? The shroud, is it?
Yeah, shroud. That just keeps the wind off there, that streamlines the turret.
Yeah.
And this frame here carries on underneath and comes right up to here.
Yeah.
Just inside there.
So it's just the underneath you're taking off?
That and this, all this is coming to pieces.
Yeah.
And there's a ring inside that the turret turns on.
Yeah.
A steel ring. That's being changed.
Yeah. Are these rivets solid rivets, are they?
Yeah, they're solid, but they'll all be changed for new rivets. You know, these have probably got magnesium in.
Yeah.
Fit aluminium rivets.
Yeah. And how do you know these rivets here, which are solid and round-headed? How do you drill them off? Just put the drill in the centre of the rivet and hope you get it.
No, when you do it, well, it sounds complacent, but when you've been doing it for 40 years, you just do it.
Yeah.
But just sort of know how hard to press the drill, and
before it shoots off. Yeah.
If it was an American rivet, they would have a little dimple in the middle.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
So it's a start for your drill.
For you, yeah. But I mean, a lot of people who do this for, not very often, or beginners, they have a little automatic pin puncher. They stab to make a pin, to make a point. Yeah. But when you've been, I'm not saying you do it perfect every time, but ideally all you want to do is take the head off, and then the rest you should push through anyway. Yeah. Especially when I'm doing this, because I think the best way to take this to pieces is to take the skins off here and take it to pieces. To try and do that and slide it out, I'm more likely to damage it.
It will slide out, will it?
I don't really know.
No.
I don't think it will.
No.
These are first things off these things, and then I'll have another look at it after this is out, of course.
Yeah. So this is your job for the winter, is it? Pass. Yeah.
What I'm doing today is I'm removing the wiring out the wing. So
moving
the wiring out. Shut up!
Yeah.
I'm moving the wiring out the wing.
Yeah. Selection of pop rivets and solid rivets. Spent removing the junction box. Get all the electric wiring out of the wingtip. You decided to put the shroud on before you had the ribs painted, did you?
Yeah, we've got drill holes, you see.
Yeah. Yeah. And this is the old shroud what came off. That's in 3 pieces, is it?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us and starting.
It's all liquor road, isn't it? Oh, listen here.
Yeah, it does, isn't it?
Yeah.
Will all these formers, do you think, have to be changed with this oxidisation or whatever?
Yeah, it's looking like it.
Yeah.
You might get away with some of them. Some of these don't look so bad, but even some of them have got bad bends and brakes in them and whatever.
Looks a bit twisted there, doesn't it?
Yeah, and you see this sort of where they miss the pilot holes.
Oh, is that what the... Oh, I see, yeah, yeah. Then you got the figure 8s.
Yeah. This is it of even on there where even on the new skins there, excuse me. But here on the new skins, I don't know the money's there. See, you have pilot holes in there and you go through later on. Down here they put pilot holes in and then put holes in between them. Rivet holes in between them, so the ones, these are frames I think. And these are spars, the ones where they double, it won't go right the way along.
They're spars?
They're your spars, yeah, with a double, where there's a double rivet hole. The front, that's that'll be
yeah,
a rear, that'll be a rear spar.
yeah, that's continues all the way down.
All the way down, yeah. So that's a front spar and a rear spar there.
Where these triangular pieces are at the bottom, that's the spar.
They're the spars, yeah. So,
And so there's one spar,
you've got your front one and your rear one there.
2 spars on it,
Yeah.
or is that a spar? That's a spar. Have a look. We'll find out when you get a bit further down.
Yeah, that could be another spar. Could be front, centre and rear then, yeah. Well, it's solid in a jig.
Yeah. Have you got the jigs made yet?
Apparently they came on Friday, but they weren't quite right, so they've gone back to whoever is making them,
Yeah.
and then they're bringing them back.
How many you got? 2 or just 1?
It's gonna be, I think there's going to be a jig for both, yeah, left
Yeah.
and right. to pick up on all these tooling holes, you know,
Yeah.
so we have all the tooling holes in these spars. That's why we needed
They're jigging holes, are they?
yeah, we need the access to them jigging holes, and that's what they're setting it all by,
Yeah.
as far as I can make out. But that's the